What is up, guys? So today I got a cool one planned for us. Today's topic is most interesting tool. So to me, my most interesting tool, what I love to do the most, what I love to show off with the most, is probably going to be my Milescraft sign maker. I love it ever since the day I bought it. It's always been fun. I've been making, like, on my free time, I've been making little signs for when I start doing vendor shows again. All my signs are going to be routed, but I'm also going to offer sign making at the vendor shows. Like, you can fill out a form and I'll make the sign, get a hold of you or whatever. But by far the most interesting tool I have is a Sign Maker Pro. So what I'm going to do is right here, I'm going to start playing a couple clips of me making different signs, different things we've done with some signs. And I'm going to let those pictures play, and then we'll come back here and we'll talk about it a little bit more. I don't want to dig it out right now. The baby's sleeping. I just don't want to make all that noise. But I have plenty of footage of me playing with it. So you guys enjoy this, and meet me back here in like a minute. So yeah, guys, like I said, it's a lot of fun. While you guys are watching those videos, I got this is a sign. It's not finished yet, but it's Superman. If you guys all know my youngest, I call him Superman. And then my sign for my son, my 7-year-old, his name's Mason. I know the spelling is crazy, but that's just the way it worked out. So, we love it. It's so much fun. I made signs for the wife. Some of them are just funny, you know. My son wanted one that just says poop. So I was like, oh, okay. So by far the most interesting tool I have. I love it. I recommend it to everybody. If you're going to look into one, I would say probably go with the Pro. I wish I would have got the Pro because the stencil size that comes in the regular one, they're 3 inches, where they're 1.5 inches in the Pro. You can make smaller signs. So that's what I got for you guys. Most interesting tool. Check it out. Let me know what you think of it, and I will see you guys here tomorrow. Have a good day. Get to work.